to be making an omelet in the microwave. So first, we need 1 egg per person eating the omelet. So there are 3 people that I'm making dinner for tonight. So 3 eggs, and you need to whisk them up until they're sort of frothy. Now add some cheese. And your spices. I'm adding dill and some onions. And some peppers. I'm also going to add some potatoes that we had for dinner last night. This is a great way to use up leftovers. You can just kind of break up these mashed potatoes here. Add some milk. And some salt and pepper. Stir all that up a bit. And microwave at 1-minute intervals until it's done. And here's our omelet.